Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Then tap on Print section and click on Default Print Service. Finally, just wait. Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different print service, you need to tap on the blue sweater next to the default one to switch it off. Then go back, tap on Add Print Service, and download the best one for your printer. I will go with HP one. When your new service is ready, just go back to the same settings. Lastly, tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!